What, baby boy? We'll go out after dinner? Yes. Yes, I know. We'll go out walkies in a little while. Yeah, after Mummy's finished cooking and finished cleaning. I know you don't care about cleaning, but I need to clean. I know. But that's okay when the sun's gone down a bit, because it's a bit hot. It's a bit warm right now. Yes, I know, but it's a bit warm for your footsies. We don't want you burning your toes outside on the path. Really? Yes. Okay. What time? No, not now. Give me half an hour. Half an hour? We could. I know. Half an hour and we can go out. Don't be so sad. I love you too. Shall we go walkies? Is it time? Ophelia? Is it time? Rocky says it's time. You ready? You ready? Yes. Do you want to go out? What's Mummy got? Yes. Look what we got. We got the little basket. The little... What's that? What's that? Yes. We got your little basket. We have your medicine in there, as well as your leashes, don't we, Rocky? Yes. That's so you're not bothered about having medicine. It's one of Mummy's little tricks. I know. Okay, let's get your leashes on and we'll go out. Yes.